Hi guys, welcome back to Classic Cookery. I'm Harita. In today's video, I'm going to share how to create playlist in case if you don't know how to create your own playlist on your YouTube channel. So let's get started. So open your YouTube channel and click on your profile picture, just right side. Now we are going to YouTube Studio. So this is our channel dashboard, and here we are going to content. And now if you want to create your own playlist, what you have to do is here you have to select videos. You have to select, if you want to select all the videos in this space, here you have like if you want to select all the videos, you have to click here on video. Check the video. If you want to select only particular videos for the certain playlist, you have to choose like 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. And now go to here, add to playlist. Click the scroll down bar here and let me show you again. This is the add to playlist. So now we are adding all these 4 videos to the new playlist. Okay. So click here, arrow mark, down arrow mark. Now you see this, all the options here. Now you see at the end, new playlist. Click new playlist and here you see, again hit new playlist. And this is the box displays. Here you have to give the title. So you give your desired title. Here I am giving some like YouTube education videos, YouTube teaching videos. You can put anything and you can make your own. Hi all, I'm typing. So I'm showing here. I'm going to share about all YouTube, all YouTube teaching, all YouTube guidance. So you can type here up to 5,000 words here. How many words if you want, you can type up to 5,000 words and you can fill this box with the description box all your own matter. And here if you want to make this playlist public or private or unlisted, you have to select here. So if you put in private or unlisted, no one is going to watch your videos. There is no point or no matter of putting a private or unlisted. So always select public so that way people will watch our videos. Then create. Okay, playlist created. You can see now here, right? Now just once again click it. Just refresh the button here. Refresh your browser page and you. So once you refresh, now again you go to playlist options. Click here. So you can see here, this is what now we are created YouTube teaching. So this is what we have created. So we have to edit now, right? So click on edit and here this is the interface that we are watching now, manually stored in YouTube. So here you can add more videos or you can change anything or someone can add videos on your playlist. This is how it goes. So now I will show you how to add videos on your playlist. So now we need to add videos on your playlist. We just created a empty playlist right now and now we are going to add the videos to that empty playlist. So once you have to click here, you see the 3 dots, click here and here you have to select edit on YouTube option. Now you will see this space here. So where you are going to, this is where you are going to put your videos in this playlist. So click again here, you see 3 dots, click here and the first option add videos. So these are all the videos. Here we have, you can add any video whatever you want. So you just simply select one. You have to, once if you click, automatically it will select the video. Just click on the particular video, whatever the video you want to put it on the playlist, just simply click it. And that's all. I just added 6. I selected 6 videos. Now add videos. See, these are all the, I just for showing purpose, I added some random videos here. You can see I just added 6 videos. So this is all. Now this is the heading for the, this is the title for this playlist, YouTube teaching. I just simply put to show you how it goes. So you have to select the title according to the videos. It should correlate to the videos and the title. Then it looks somewhat good, right? So that's what I meant to say. Okay then. So this is how the playlist has to be created. If you like my video, please give thumbs up and share with your new YouTube channel friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please give thumbs up, and I will see you next time. You guys have a great wonderful day. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. See you next time.